A recent bill in Congress will provide Americans with a check for $2,000 every single month, possibly up to 12 months. Let's delve right into this to see what this proposal is all about. But first, be sure to smash the like button since it really helps my channel out. Okay, so as we all know, right now many Americans have been forced to stay at home and have not been able to work. Most Americans will at least get a one-time check for $1,200, but as we all know, it's tough to live on that much money for too long. So here comes the Emergency Money for the People Act. Here's a brief summary of how the law works. Well, it's actually not a law, it's a bill at the moment. Under the proposed bill, if you are a citizen or resident of the US and at least 16 years old, you will get a $2,000 check every month for at least 6 months. Now, you were thinking, okay, so what happens after 6 months? The bill states that if the workforce participation rate is not at 60%, then the checks continue for another 6 months. The bill is aimed at making getting a check as easy as possible. For one thing, being a resident is met simply by being in the US for at least 3 months. For those who do not want a check because they don't have a bank account, the bill stipulates they can get a prepaid debit card or even have the money sent on new apps like Venmo, Zelle, or PayPal. There aren't a lot of exclusions in the bill other than if you make more than $130,000 as a single person or $260,000 as a married couple, then there will be a reduction in benefits. Now, here's my take. Do I think that this legislation will pass? It's really unlikely given that this is an extremely expensive proposal. It covers people who might not actually be suffering economically, and it probably will go on longer than necessary. I'm not sure we have to have something that covers people for an entire year when we are just a couple months into this issue. So, what are your thoughts? Do you think that this stimulus proposal is likely to become law? Let me know in the comments below. As usual, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.